Hey guys, welcome to the special edition of the Camp Kitchen. If you're new here, I'm Corey, and this is the Northwoods, where we're showing you that freedom is an adventure. And in today's video, we're going to be answering a question we see quite often in our Blackstone Camp Cooking group on Facebook, and that's how we bake cinnamon rolls while we're camping. So to answer this, we're going to take you along camping with us, and we'll jump right into the video. The first thing I turn to whenever I want to bake something on our Blackstone, and that's my trusty Weston jerky racks. I really love these things on the Blackstone because they're heavy duty and a bit taller and larger than your average cooling rack, and two of them seem to fit my 28-inch range top combo just perfect. You'll find a link to these and other items in this video in the description below. We start out with our griddle on high with our jerky racks on the griddle. I like to use parchment paper because I tried this without it, and the dough had a tendency to want to cook into the rack and made it really hard to flip them and get them off the griddle. The parchment paper works great for this, and the racks hold it up high enough off the griddle you don't have to worry about the paper burning. Next, we go ahead and drop our cinnamon rolls onto the parchment paper. You can make homemade rolls if you'd like, but for camping, we like to use the store-bought refrigerated ones because they're just so darn quick and easy. With the rack raised above the griddle surface, the temp at the parchment paper will usually be close to 350 degrees and allows for airflow around the inside of the griddle. Make sure you use an infrared thermometer if you want to check the temperature of your griddle, as every griddle is a little different. We close our lid and we go ahead and give these about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. When the bottoms are just starting to show a little browning, it's time to go ahead and flip our rolls. Don't let them go too long or they're going to burn on you. We close our griddle lid and another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side. We open our griddle and they should be ready to pull out. If they're not quite done, you might have to let them go another minute or two if your griddle runs a little cooler than mine. Apply your icing in super sexy hyperspeed, and you've got a sweet treat that's ready to eat right at the campsite. The wife and kids will think you're a cooking god. Okay, maybe not, but they'll love you just the same. I hope you and your family enjoy these at your next campsite. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment below. I'd like to hear what type of sweet treats you like to make while camping. So for more RV travel tips, tricks, and outdoor cooking, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, if we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video.